Hello friends. Today I'm finally doing the long-awaited challenge. I'm going to be attempting to use a full face of Korean makeup. Jesus Christ. So you may be thinking, why is that a challenge? Listen girl, when your face is this color, it is a challenge. And it's also even harder for me because I live in Canada. And Canada has nothing apparently. So all you people living in the United States with your fancy shade ranges can't relate. So basically the stuff that I got is a mixture of stuff that I got online, like on websites like YesStyle, and stuff that I got at my local Sephora, which I live 10 minutes away from. So I already know that some of the complexion stuff is not my color, girl. So we gonna have to try and finesse this somehow. Now everybody say a silent Wakandan prayer. We're gonna start off with a little bit of skincare because skincare is super important, especially in the whole Korean beauty thing. I already have done most of my skincare routine, but I still haven't put on my moisturizer. So today I'm going to be using the Claire's Rich Moist Soothing Cream, which I recently got from Wish Trend, and I really love this moisturizer. But I mean, I love everything from Claire's, so is that a surprise? No, it isn't. And for some reason, my skin is super dry and like angry at me right now, and like I don't really have a sufficient explanation as to why. I don't know if it's because the seasons are changing or what, but girl, my skin is not happy. Next up, I'm gonna go in with a primer. This is the MISSHA BB Boomer primer that I use all the time. You guys know I'm in love with this primer. Korean primers tend to be my favorite just because they're moisturizing. I have normal to dry skin, so all of these like pore filling primers are not my jam. So I really like a moisturizing primer like this one. What? Why is someone mowing the lawn while I'm doing this? I just press it into the skin. My skin actually looks good for the first time in like a week. Oh, I don't know why my skin's been so trash lately. I think it's because of stress. So for my complexion products, I'm going to be using a Cushion BB cream and also a Cushion concealer from Laneige. And these are the ones that I have easiest access to. They are at my local Sephora in Canada. And I know for a fact that this concealer is not going to be my color. For reference, this is the darkest foundation color that they have, and it is in the color 37. And this is the darkest concealer that they have, and this is in the color 23. So a big difference between that, but I think we can make this work maybe? I don't know. So I'm going to be putting on the concealer first just because I feel like I'm going to have to cover it with the foundation in order for it to be any type of presentable. And I've never used this Cushion concealer before, or any Cushion concealer before, to be honest. So I'm actually going to go on the Sephora website and like see how they describe it and how to use it, because your girl's a little lost, okay? So let me, hold on a second. Hold on. Okay, so this is the Sephora website. We've got the Laneige Cushion Concealer SPF 37. So it's got some SPF in there that might be some flashback, girl. And it retails for 31 Canadian dollars, but your girl's a rouge, so she gets free shipping, okay? Anyways, so this is the darkest color. It comes in 4 shades. You get Rose Porcelain, Cool Ivory, Cool Beige, or Sand. And sand is described as for medium skin with neutral tones. I would not call myself medium skin, so I don't know about that. But this is the darkest shade that they have, and the color swatch here is pretty light, guys. Pretty light. Good for all skin types. You know, basic concealer stuff. Wait, hold on. Is that a black person? Did they use a black person? Oh my god, I'm watching this. Oh my god, guys. What? Okay, oh my god, they're using a black person. Okay, they're starting off with the foundation, and then picking a color, which I'm assuming they're picking the darkest one. Oh girl, that's real light. Oh girl, oh no, baby, what is you doing? Oh no. Oh my god. What is that? First of all, that's not even blended. Oh, and we put on the lips, okay. All right, girl, okay. We looking real casket ready, okay. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, so we're gonna apply this in all the usual places. Okay, under the eyes, quick little swipe. Oh. Oh. Okay. The concealer's so light, it's sucking up the light from the camera. I'm about to get real dark. Hold on. Oh. It smells really good though. I will be right back. Okay, I'm back. When your concealer is so light, you gotta change your camera settings. So I'm taking my Laneige cushion and I am using that to blend it in. It's actually a really good consistency. Oh, wow. Oh my god. Oh, this would be a really good base for eyeshadows. I'm sorry guys, I just had to stop and think about my life choices. I look like I'm about to join the Mime Academy. Oh my god. So I'm gonna go over this with my Laneige foundation, the BB cushion, and this is actually a pretty dark shade, so it does match me pretty well. Okay. Let me tell you guys, I may look like a corpse right now, but my skin looks amazing, okay? It's dewy, it's fresh, it's glow. Look, I even got highlighter on. What? So the Laneige cushion is definitely helping. This is normally where I would put on a powder, but I don't have a Korean powder. Just means we don't need a highlighter today, okay? I do not own a Korean contour, so I'm going to be taking this palette from Heimish. I'm going to be taking the dark brown color in the palette and using that to contour my face. And it's a little dark, but that's fine because we're a little light today, so just trying to like pretty much bronze up the face right now. For blush, I have this one from 3CE, which as you can tell is very light. But I'm just gonna use a little bit of this. More of a powder than anything, because like I'm dewy, but it's looking a little greasy, girl. And then I'm gonna go in and with another eyeshadow. This is from HOLIKA, and I'm gonna use this little red eyeshadow here as my blush. I'm using that same brown eyeshadow to contour my nose. For brows, I'm taking this brow pencil from Etude House and just lightly filling in my brows. It's the first time I'm using this brow pencil, so let's see how it goes. And for eyeshadow, I'm taking my HOLIKA palette again, and I'm using the lightest shade here as my base for the eyeshadows. Now I'm realizing I can use this eyeshadow as a powder because it's like I'm blending into my skin tone perfectly. Wow, look at me, an innovative queen. Now I'm going to take the brown shade in here and use that to deepen up the eye look, make it smoky. And then I'm going to take this shimmery shade here, which is just this gorgeous pink shimmery color, and just pat that all over the lids. This just gives it a nice shine. Ooh. Ooh. You know, your girl lives for sparkles, okay? Then I'm going to use this liner. It's from CLIO in the color Kill Brown, and I'm going to use that for my eyeliner. Now I'm going to be using this mascara from the Face Shop. This is their Daily Proof mascara. Daily Proof? What does that mean? The wand reminds me of the Too Faced one. Okay, it's actually nice. It's like really lengthening and thickening. I like it. Wow, there's actually a big difference between this eye and this one. Okay, Face Shop, I see you. Just like the video, I'm gonna take my concealer and put it all over my lips. So now that you look like a straight up crackhead, you're gonna take your favorite Darcei lip tint and apply it. Yes, honey. My skin looks legitimately perfect. This is the first time in weeks that my skin has actually looked good, and I feel like it's because of this. And also, this concealer is bomb if you're actually like in the shade range. I would get this. So yeah, guys, this is the finished look. Just ignore my chest compared to my face, okay? No one saw that. I will see you guys in the next video. I hope you guys liked this one. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. And I will see you in the next video. I love ya so much.